Hello and welcome back to the Mindful Magnolias channel. Today I'm so glad you're here because I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own line of pre-diluted, ready-to-use touch rollers that you can use on yourself, on your baby, on your little one, whatever the case may be. Having pre-diluted rollers just like this one here are so convenient because all you have to do is take the top off and apply it to wherever you need. But if you don't already have the touch rollers or you don't want to buy them, I'm going to teach you how you can make your very own line for pennies on the dollar, and all you need is a couple of key tools. So let me jump in and show you how to do this. Let's go. Okay, so this is all you need to be able to make your own touch pre-diluted rollers. I know it doesn't look like a lot, and honestly, it's so simple. So today I'm going to be showing you just how to make a lavender touch roller, but you can do this for any of them, including some of the blends like the On Guard Protective Blend or the Breathe Respiratory Blend, whatever you're looking to make a pre-diluted roller for. And I love to keep these kind of all lined up by my kiddo's room because sometimes at night you just never know if you need some immune support, if you need some respiratory support, tummy support, sleeping support, whatever the case may be. And so I love having these available. So here's what you need. You just need an empty roller bottle. I personally like to use the ones with the steel roller tops because I feel that they glide on much simpler, but whatever roller you have will do. Actually, we'll leave that top off. Then you need your oil. So I'm just going to be doing this really simple with lavender, but whatever oil you're wanting to pre-dilute so it's ready to go, just use that oil. And then of course, fractionated coconut oil, that's my carrier oil of choice. And that is actually what they do put in these doTERRA pre-made ones is the fractionated coconut oil. So I like to just stick with that. And I put a pump on. You can buy these from a lot of different oil accessory stores. I think I got this from Oil Life or even from doTERRA, but they make it way easier to just pump the oil out instead of trying to squeeze it out of that little top. So first we need to take off the lid, and you might be wondering, how are you going to do that? If you take your cap, you're going to go halfway and you can kind of loosen it up a little bit, and then you should be able to just pull that right off. There we go. Okay. Now there's a big debate and question as to what doTERRA uses as their dilution rate, how they actually dilute these oils versus carrier oil. And because it's proprietary, we really don't know, but I have heard that it's different based on these more gentle oils versus like something like oregano, which is a hot oil, which I'm sure is diluted more. For me, generally, I like to do about a 1/3 to 2/3 ratio. So about 1/3 essential oil to 2/3 carrier oil. Now you can do whatever works for you. I don't think you need to actually count your drops. There's no, hard and fast rule here, but we're just gonna fill, I'm gonna do maybe even a 1/4 because I think I'll use this one maybe more for my little 1-year-old. So I'm gonna fill it up about a 1/4 of the way with lavender. Keep in mind, it is gonna be probably about 50 or so drops. And then we're gonna fill the rest up with our fractionated coconut oil. So I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so we have our drops of oil, and now I'm gonna just start putting in the fractionated coconut oil. We're gonna fill this up all the way. See how easy the pump is? There we go. And then we're gonna just put the top on and you're good to go. So there you have it. See how easy that is? From a pre-done lavender touch roller like this to your own DIY at home. It really is that simple, you guys. All you got to do is dilute it, make it yourself, and then you can even repurpose. So if you have an old lavender bottle like this, before you get rid of the bottle or repurpose that, just peel off the label. You can peel off these labels really easily. It still has enough sticky power to it, and then you'd be able to put that label on top of the roller here. So you would be able to really easily identify that this is a lavender roller, or just put one of these little purple stickers, which you can tell that one's really loved, on top of here, and you'll be good to go. See, now wasn't that so simple? I told you. So if you don't have these already ready to go pre-diluted rollers and you don't want to buy them, no problem. As I showed you, all you need are some empty roller bottles, some fractionated coconut oil, and of course your oils so you can make your own line at home. If you want even more education on how to use oils with your baby or your kiddo and want to really have more of my training and education and my tried and true protocols, be sure to click below to check out my mini course, Essential Wellness for Littles, where I will teach you how to do just that in less than a day. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video so you can be the first to know about any new videos that come out every week. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye for now.